Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magic Maths. Today's topic is capacity and the subtopic is conversion of milliliters into liters. So in my previous video, I have told you what is capacity and how to convert liters into milliliters. Now in this video, I will tell you how to convert milliliters into liters. So let us start. Let us start by the formula. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Using this formula we are going to solve all our questions. So in my previous video I have told you how to apply this formula and convert liters into milliliters. So now today let us solve the questions where let me take a very simple number. Let us take 5000 milliliter here and we are going to convert this into liters. So what we are going to do, we are simply going to divide this number, this 5000 by 1000 to convert this into liters. So how to divide this? Let us do this here only. So we are going to put 5000 as dividend and 1000 as divisor. We are going to divide this 5000 by number 1000. 1000 fives are 5000. And we are going to put a minus sign over here and the remainder is 0. So this is the question, this is our answer. So 5000 milliliter, when we convert this into liter, it will become 5 liters. See, the answer is 5. So now some students will say that we don't know the table of 1000 and we don't know the higher tables. How to solve this? What we are going to do, simple, we are going to do is we are going to write 5000 as numerator, 1000 as denominator. So what we are going to do, we are going to cut 0, 1 0, we are going to cut here 1. Then this 0 by this 0, this 0 by this 0. Now what is remaining? 5 upon 1. See here, 5 upon 1, which is equal to 5 only. Now see your answer, this answer and this is same. So you are going to apply any method, this method, the division method, or you are going to do it with the help of fraction also. So the simple sums you can solve by applying any of the method. Now let us take a little bit difficult number. I'm taking a number here, 4785 milliliter, and we are going to convert this into liter. So how we are going to do this? We are just let us divide this. We are going to put 4785 as dividend and 1000 as divisor. Now see, there are no zeros here, so we cannot apply this formula. We can apply this formula only when there are zeros in dividend and in divisor, in dividend also. Then only we can apply. Now here you can see there are no zeros, so we have to use this division method to solve this question, to convert the milliliter into liter. So what we are going to do, very simple, 1000 fours are 4000. Put a minus sign over here. Then it is 0. We are going to drop down these three numbers here. So now you can see 785 is less than 1000. So we are going to stop this division here only, and this is our remainder and this is the quotient. This is the quotient. So how we are going to write this? So now I'm writing here 4785 milliliter. When we are going to convert this, the answer will be this 4, the answer, the quotient, we are going to write it 4 liter, write as 4 liter, and the remainder we are going to write here 785. We are going to put milliliter with this remainder. The SI unit of remainder is milliliter and here it is liter. Okay, so one more question I'm going to solve here. 6362 milliliter. So again, let us apply the division method. We are going to put, now you can see there is no 0 over here, so we cannot use that method of cutting the zeros. So we have to divide it. 6,362 we are going to put as dividend, and 1000. See, when we are talking about milliliters and liters, we are going to, if we are going to convert milliliter into liter, we have to divide it by 1000. So now 1006 or 6,000. Now here it is 0, and this number 3 minus 0 is 3, 6 minus 0 is 6, 2 minus 0 is 2. Now again you can see here 362 is less than 1000. So we cannot solve it further. We are just going to put milliliter here, as this is the remainder, and we are going to write liter over here. This is the quotient. So how we are going to write this? 6,362 milliliter. When we convert this into liters, it comes as 6 liters and 362 milliliters. So you can solve all the questions like this only. So keep practicing.